Hey, it's your girl Gigi. Thanks for joining us. Now let's get started.
Hey everyone, for more content, like, click, and subscribe. Hey guys, I want to talk about the Zumba Street Elevate that's in pink and black. Now when I saw these street elevates, I was like, you know what? Yes, that is my style. But I knew right from the top that this is a type of sneaker that may not fit everyone's wardrobe. It has a very high top, and I'm looking at it and I'm thinking like, what am I gonna do? Because I want to wear this shoe, but I know my ankles might be mad at me for the rest of the day after we get done with 1 hour of Zumba. Best thing that you probably can do, I would tie the shoe lower and I wouldn't lace them all the way up to the top. I know many are probably shying away from the sneaker, but I would not pass just yet. But I love the style. The style is so nice. It's a standout shoe. If you wear these in class, people are going to definitely notice. I wouldn't recommend wearing these with cargo pants, however, because the sneaker comes up so high. These are not comfortable. They're very flat in the inside. You will need some inserts for these shoes. Definitely an eye catcher. The color is nice. I know when you look on the website, it looks like it's more of a silver tones and more grayish tones on the sneaker, but actually up close in person, it's very shiny. It reflects very well. It's not like a dull drab or gray color how it kind of looks on the website. They look way better in person than they do just from looking on Zumba.com. The product features are as follows. V-Slide lets you slide easily on any surface. Lightweight rubber sole, memory foam insole, extra high top, comes with additional pink shoelaces. Why you'll love it? Because it's in leather PU. This is a definite not pass. I would try this shoe out if I were you. If you were looking at it, you were like, you know what? I like the style. I think maybe I could wear that, but I'm not sure about how it would fit. Now let me tell you, they're very flat. They're not very comfortable, but do they look nice? Yes, they look very, very nice. But will they give you all that support you may be looking for that you could find in a pair of Adidas or a pair of Nikes? No, they won't, in my opinion. I'm not a professional. I am not a podiatrist. I do not have an educational background with the feet, ankles, or any type of bunions or heel pain problems. I don't think it's a style that should be overlooked. These are my personal opinions. I have not been paid to give this review, and I'm not influenced by anybody. This is just how I feel and what I think. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more content or a chance to win this item, like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and put your name in the comments.